or sex. This brings up some things that we've already talked about. If you've got a bacterium, this bacterium is going to have its chromosome here. Okay. So here's the bacterial chromosome. But do you remember what we called those little extra pieces of DNA in a circle that you might find in a bacterium? A plasmid. Okay, so he's got a plasmid. And this is actually, because he's got this plasmid, he's counted as plus. Okay, he's got it. This plasmid has the instructions for making the pili, or the pilus. Okay, so this is a bacterium with a plasmid. It's got the pilus. It is known as male. Okay, and the plasmid is known as the F plasmid. And that's F for fertility gamete. Get your minds out of the gutter. This is an F plus bacterium. It's male. Over here, it's pink. If the bacterium didn't have that plasmid, it would be a female bacterium, right? It's got the, well, okay. I don't know. Put eyelashes on it. This is F minus. What happens in bacterial conjugation? You've got your F plus, they've got the plasmid, F minus, no plasmid. The pilus contacts the F minus cell and forms a conduit, a tube. Okay? So the pilus now is going to make this, and it's really called a conjugation bridge. Inside the male bacterium, the double-stranded DNA of the plasmid, here's our little conjugation bridge right here. I've enlarged I've changed the scale to really get a sense of the continuity between the two cytoplasms of the two cells now. So in the F plus bacterium, we're going to introduce a little nick. And one strand of the DNA is going to travel through the conjugation bridge, through here, and then be on the other side. Now, this bacterium, having lost one of its strands, just needs another. This other bacterium, having received a strand of DNA, is going to make the complement, right? Okay, and after, I'm not kidding, about an hour, the conjugation bridge is going to be broken, and the episode is now over. But what have we got here?
A baby.
We don't have any more cells than we had before, but when this process started, we had a male bacterium and a female bacterium.
Now you have two males?
Now we have two males. You see why I hesitated to tell you this. When bacteria have sex, a male bacterium has sex with a female bacterium, and when they're done, they're both male.